This video we are going to learn words game. This has a teeth but can't bite. Comb. This has an eye but can't see. Needle. This has a leg but can't walk. Table. This has leaf but cannot grow. This is book. This has a arms but cannot work. Arm. This has a arm but cannot work. Arm but cannot work. It is called armchair. The this has a hand but can't write. Log. This has a head but cannot think. Pin. This has a food but can't wear shoe. Mountain. Here use the letter of words shopkeeper to make at least 10 new words. Shopkeeper, keep, she, and so many words you can use in this, and you can make and write at least 10 new word. Okay. Here use ing: talking, jumping, watching, fall, falling, growing, staying, cooking, reading. Anil is climbing a tree. The horse is pulling the cart. The teacher is teaching us English. The children are sleeping. The boys are swimming in the lake. The boys are play football. Playing. I am doing my homework. The soldiers are marching smartly. See, climbing, pulling, teaching, sleeping, swimming, playing, doing, marching. ing पुट करके लिखना है आपको. यहाँ पे जॉइन वर्ड्स है. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ फ्लावर इन दी गार्डन. आपको ईच यूज़ करना है या तो आर यूज़ करना है. आर वी गोइंग आउट टूडे. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी इज दिया हुआ है तो यहाँ पे कोई ज़रूरत नहीं यहाँ पर लिखने को. इट इज़ सन्नी टुडे. देयर आर हैव दे They are having fun at the park. There are lots of birds singing today. There are lots of cookies left. Who is going with you? What is he doing? Understood? Here, Hari is thin, but his brother is fat. Richa blew out the candle and everyone clapped. Teacher came in, but there was silence. The boy played guitar and the girl sang. I wanted some ice cream, but I had not money to buy it. Understood? Here, clock, glove, glue, pins, flag. Here, I work in circus. I make people laugh. That is called clown. I sit on the king's head as well as the queen crown. I am the color of cookies brown. I am another word of shout loudly, scream. I am collective noun of sheep, flock. I dress that girl is wear, frock. I run on the railway train. When you fall down, you get this on your clothes stain. Here, darkness, weakness, cuteness, goodness, freshness, settlement, announcement, judgment, argument, announcement. ओके. here आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है. सैडनेस पे एक सेंटेंस, रूडनेस पे एक सेंटेंस एंड वीकनेस पे. ये आपका होमवर्क है. ओके. यहाँ पे ये ऑलरेडी आपको करवाया गया है. ऑन विच डे वी सेलिब्रेट रिपब्लिक. day 26 January. On which year first Republic Day was dedicated? 1950. Our first Republic Day was dedicated. Who participated in the parade? So here it is given. uh, all all the state and union territory of India participate. Okay, here parachute, guitar, lantern, feather, peacock, aeroplane. यहाँ पे आपको टॉट टॉट को फर्स्ट को सर्कल करना है, टेस्टियस को सर्कल करना है, टायर्ड को सर्कल करना है बीच वाले को, एंड ब्राइट कोई भी लास्ट वाला ब्राइट को करना है सर्कल, अम्ब्रेला लास्ट, रिसीव लास्ट, अरेंज मिडल वन। अंडरस्टूड। यहाँ पे देखो, अरे ये यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी बीच दिया है, बिग दिया है, टेस्टी, अनहैप्पी। आपको एक सी सॉर का एक सेंटेंस है जो लिखना है। जैसे दिया है, माई ग्रैंड मदर टुक मी टू दी सी सॉर इन द इवनिंग। अभी सी सॉर की जगह हम बीच लिख सकते हैं ना। माई ग्रैंड मदर टुक मी टू दी बीच इन इवनिंग। आई got a large toy as a present on my birthday. I got a big toys as a present on my birthday. Rita was sad as she could not attend the class due to the network problem. So Rita was unhappy as she could not attend the class due to the network problem. Here दो तो सेम सेम मीनिंग रहेगा। जैसे इफ़ यू लुक out the window you will see the garden. Same meaning, look and see, both are the similar meaning. ऐसे यहाँ पे देखो, the empty boxes are laying outside the bare room. Empty and bare, both are the same meaning. Here the blue desk kept out under the wooden table. Desk and table, both are the same meaning, underline करना है। Anju was looking beautiful in her gorgeous silver dress. Beautiful and gorgeous, both are the same meaning. Put the waste in the dustbin and keep the surrounding free litter. So dustbin and litter, sorry, waste and litter, both are the same meaning. Okay, waste and litter. Sad, sad का क्या होगा? अनहैप्पी दिया हुआ है। ओके, हॉट वार्म आपको यहाँ से चुनना है। हॉट वार्म, टाइडी क्लीन, जॉइन connect and finish. Here big, bigger, biggest, light, lighter, lightest, cold, colder, coldest, rich, richer, richest. ओके, ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है नीचे देखो, गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, मेनी, मोर, मोस्ट, बैड, वर्स्ट, वर्स्ट। यहाँ पे देखो, यू आर डैश देन अ टॉर्टोइस, स्लोअर, टू मेनी स्वीट्स आर नॉट गुड फॉर यू। This is the more interesting book I have ever read. James is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. Nita is taller than Rita. This is the sharpest of all the knives in the किचन। ऑलराइट, आपको ये सब सेंटेंस बनाना है। मैंने ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी डिस्कस किया था, ये आपने खुद नहीं करना है। दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क। ऑलराइट, ब्यूटीफुल, माय मदर इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल। ओके, एक्साइटेड, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड दैट टुडे टीचर हैड टॉट मी अ न्यू चैप्टर। ओके, आई होप you all understand. Thank you for watching my